No, not that one. There's a tree my landlord keeps in there. I have permission from him to take from that tree. This is what we're gonna do now. Chickens! I mean, roosters. Damn it. There's lots of you. That's the tree. It's a beautiful, beautiful olive tree. It's exactly ripe for the taking. And that's the branch we're after. I mean, oh, look at all that goodness. Look at that. Look at all that. So, as it says in the book, you just gently scrape them off into the bowl, like that. Take the ones you like, don't take the ones you don't like, you're not gonna eat them. There's lots of them. Yeah, and look, not all of them are perfectly ripe. Just get the ripe or next to ripe ones. That's fine. The top branches will have the best. Will have the best ripened fruit. I mean, look at that there. I'm going to only be doing a jar wash, so like pound to pounds is enough. Let's go get these babies washed. Yeah, see that? We don't want that, the stem. Look fine to me. Wait, this I think is right.